What's going on, everyone? So this right here is the iPhone SE 2020 edition. So this came out a couple months ago. I'm a little late to getting it, but it was on sale, so I had to get it. You know, you can't ignore a good bang for the buck, especially when it's already a good bang for the buck. So as the title says, I'm an all Android user. I've been an Android user all my life. Never owned an iPhone before, never even had one for longer than 30 minutes or 20 seconds whenever I went to the iPhone store. Grabbed one in my hand, tried it out, no good, moved on. I've had an LG Stylo, my first little budget Android, then I moved up to a Galaxy S7, Galaxy S8, and then right now I'm daily driving a Galaxy S10 Plus. So clearly, I'm all Galaxy, all Android. I don't have any experience with iPhones. And you might be wondering, why would I get an iPhone SE when there's iPhone 11 Pros and an iPhone 11s? Well, the reason being is because this is a nice little budget, starter pack. So if I don't like it, I won't feel bad for spending thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars on a new iPhone when I might not even like it. So the iPhone SE 2020 is definitely a good bang for the buck. Like, I'm definitely very excited to try it out. It's got the bezels, which is I'm not looking forward to, but it's got iOS, the Bionic 13 chip. So I'm actually really excited to try it out and hopefully maybe make a switch. I don't know. We're gonna find out. So without further ado, let's unbox it and get my first impressions. I don't really know how to open up these. Oh, that's nice and simple. Okay, I like that. That side. All right, the big reveal together. Ready? Oh, I thought the phone was gonna be right in the top, but it's not. It's a little packet full of stuff. It's designed by Apple in California. All right. I thought it was gonna be the phone, the first thing on top. All right. And okay. So we got the phone here. Second thing out of there. So let's take it out here. Oh my. This is a tiny device. I mean, obviously I'm used to the big phones. I'm not used to something small like this, but this is very tiny. Very, very tiny. It feels nice though. It's not heavy. It's nice and light. It's compact. So let's put it to the side and see what else we get in here. The infamous 5-watt charger. The slowest charger you could possibly get out of any phone in the box. This is, I mean, what did I expect? It's $400. So put that to the side here. And then I guess the infamous little AirPods that you get, not AirPods, but earpods that you get with any traditional iPhone. I'm gonna put that to the side. I mean, I might end up using them just because this does no longer have a headphone jack, which is sad. That's something I'm gonna miss. Like, come on. I can't believe my phone from last year, 2019, the Galaxy S10 Plus, has the headphone jack, and this design, the iPhone design from like 2000 and what, maybe 17, lost a headphone jack. So the lightning cable is next. And also not looking forward to this just because I'm used to all USB Type-C or micro USB, so now I definitely have to carry 3 different cables around. It's gonna be a little annoying, but it is what it is. Alright, so this is all you get in the package, which is, I mean, not bad. It's the typical stuff: AirPods, cable, little 5-watt charger, little booklets in the booklet in here. Get some stickers, some nice little iPhone stickers, some starter packs, little SIM injection tool. Nothing crazy, but for about $300, which is what I spent for the 128 gigabyte version, which is actually pretty good now that I think about it. You get pretty good stuff. So now I'm gonna do a little bit of ASMR. How do you even do this? Alright, so I'm at the setup screen, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it up and then get my first impressions real quick and let you guys know how I feel about it. Alright, and we're back. So we're done setting up the iPhone. Man, did I say, it feels really different in the hand just because of how small it is compared to what I'm used to. I'm used to a big Galaxy, which in fact is right over here. I mean, look at the size difference. Obviously, yeah, I was expecting this huge size difference, but it's just something I have to get used to, just at least for this device, because obviously there's bigger iPhones and with bigger screens. Also, there's no gestures at navigation. There's a home button, which I'm used to doing gestures on here, so that'll be something different as well. But otherwise, I'm used to navigating with a home button with my old phones. But otherwise, this is going to be an interesting transition. The whole moving stuff between my old device to this device was a little long. I used the iMoved iOS app, which was wasn't that bad. I used to just had to connect them together and just wait around. But otherwise, it's all set up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use it for a few weeks, maybe 1 or 2, and then I'll come back and make an update video, letting you guys know how it went, what I think about iOS itself, and then the phone itself. I'm not gonna be super hard judgmental on the actual phone, just because, like I said, I'm coming from a Galaxy S10 Plus, which is a high-end flagship. Like, this is an OLED display versus a typical 720p LCD display, so it's not gonna be anything to brag about or big to compare to this behemoth of a phone. So we're just gonna stick to the iOS comparison, what it's like using iOS versus using Android and Samsung's skin. So stay tuned, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll get back to you guys soon. Peace out.
Just a lonely fucking